Okay, it's like the Spotlight series here. Today we're going to look at the 56 gallon and all my pretty fish in there. This tank also has two Whisper EX70 filters. Overkill, of course, but like I say, I love overfiltering. You also got two power heads on each side, so you got plenty of movement up there with the water. So we got that covered. That's the most important thing, I think, for them, is the filtration and aeration. Let's see if we can get in here a little bit, take a look at them. I love that Obi right there with the blue face. This guy's gorgeous too. The blue face and yellow stripe on his head. Beautiful fishies. My parrots. The first time I saw parrots was in a pet store, and they were being housed with Africans, so that's when I realized that they get along with Africans. I mean, they're got the right temperament for it. They were hiding, you know, when I first put them in there, but not long, maybe 2 days at the most, because of all the other fish they came out. So now they're not shy anymore. I've got two other babies in the 16, really small, that in that hiding stage. They just don't come out, only to eat when I leave the room. So what I did today was I picked up 3 tiny silver dollars and threw them in there with them. Maybe they'll draw them out, we'll see. But I love this tank. This is like my one of my favorite tanks to just sit and look at. I have 2 Marineland LED strips up there, and it really looks sweet at night when you put the blue light on. Really nice. This tank originally had about 20 to 30 pounds of holy rock in there. It also looked gorgeous, and I just did a complete overhaul because the holy rock got full of algae. It's a shame, you know, it cost a lot of money and it's all full of algae. So now I have it in a plastic bag in one of those small trash cans on my porch, and I'm waiting. I'm going to bleach out those rocks eventually, but for now I got this going, and it looks good. Fishes are happy. It's like, you know, when they see you, you're the food. You know, they rise to the top. Watch. Rise to the top. Lots of little caves in there, places to hide. I also have a little Synodontis in there too. Somehow whenever I film, they don't come out. Alright, I didn't want to go too long with this. I just wanted to give you guys a good look at it. Once again, thank you for watching, and until next time.